Today we got RSPerformance's 240 versus white Foxbody that's been racing us on the past few times.
Hey, watch. I want you to hear my car when it's cranking. You're gonna hear that motherfucker low compression.
Oh shit! Oh, that's how confident he is. With low compression, he still came out and raced us. He about to be like a bunch of slow motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Hey, that's fucked up. You know what I mean? That ain't right. What am I doing? Is that Hector? Hector.
Shit.
Bro, nobody?
Nobody.
I just put my license on the shit right now.
We got a quarter? No one got a quarter? Quarter! Rudy, quarter! You got all the money, Rudy. Get a quarter. Right,
I don't want to have that.
Found one right here. Barber has one.
You guys got a $100 bill?
Oh shit, that's $1, nigga. $1.
Hold on.
You mind doing it with $1?
Oh, right. You found one.
Call it?
I'll call it. This is for tails, for right now. Heads. Cool. I got it. So, you got it? You want to do like 22? A little bit over 2,000? Your people were like at 23. You were at 23. When I walked away, they were 23. They wanted 25 though when I walked away.
Hey Ryan, what's the race? It's head up?
He's getting the go.
He's getting the go. And then you won lane choice. Okay.
I want Riley, so we're good.
Alright.
We should be alright, hopefully.
So Foxbody is getting the go. 240's got the lane choice. And it's going to be 8th mile race. I believe they're about $2,700 a side right now.
If any of us cross and if it doesn't affect, it's still race.
Yeah. So if you cross like way the fuck in front of me, like that, it's cool.
But what are we like I'm saying, like right next to each other?
I mean, if I cross,
look, if you cross and you don't affect me, I don't give a fuck. You take the race, it's cool. You know? I mean, like, whoever's in the front, obviously. But I just want to know for sure. If it doesn't affect you, then we're fine.
Shit like that, I don't give a fuck.
Ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Somebody's about to get a front row seat to one badass street race. Yeah, this fool's really gonna light this motherfucker's house on fire. these fuckers. These motherfuckers drive like idiots.
Fucking cash in there.
You already talked to Mustang or no?
Nah, where that?
I don't think they're here, to be honest. Oh, I didn't see them. I didn't really walk around.
Yeah.
You got it on the truck.
Oh, you start. You have the other one, right?
Alright, so I guess this is just gonna be a bonus race. Apparently this race got locked up while the other one was happening. It's between this Challenger and a Notch Foxbody. That's not even a Honda tire, bro.
Mustang,
On the nitrous, bro.
Come out here, dog. This more interesting than the race.
Wait, is that EcoBoost?
I got 20 on the Ford. Anybody? Right there.
There it is.
The Ford. All right.
All right. How much?
20.
Oh, okay.
Hey, make sure this truck leaves on the nitrous.
What if he jumps?
Ricky, plug it. Ricky, plug it. Line it back up. Arm drops, not a jump. Line it back up.
That's a jump, dog.
That was, hey, it's an arm drop, nigga. What you mean, homie?
Hey, Chase is a race.
Chase is a race, baby.
He didn't chase though.
Tell this fool to leave on the nitrous all the way.
Hey, when we switch out the flag? Oh! Come on, guys.
I ain't paying on that shit. Nah, fuck you.
Hey, for that.
Nah, I ain't paying on that. I'm about to sock both those niggas.
Ever had to teach this guy how to flag?
Go!
Oh, these guys.